Welcome to your piano lesson. If you're here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch an introduction video of the channel. I'm leaving the link in the description below. If you like the content of my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'm aiming to publish 2 weekly tutorials. Now let's dive into the lesson. Even though in the last tutorial about arpeggios I have mentioned that I would publish tutorials talking about the arpeggios in a slightly different way, so not explaining anymore one by one, but grouping them according to the colors, I've decided to carry on a little bit now with a minor. In this way I complete in 3 lessons the package of the ones using just white keys. Today I want to indeed introduce the A minor. A minor is same as the C major, same as the G major, same as the F major. Obviously those that are a little bit more confident understand what I mean. Probably those in need of help will find useful this video. So I'm going to show you now how to play the A minor. Anyways, be advised that it's same as the C major in terms of fingers and color and distance in between the keys, and same as the F major or the G major. But let's dive into the lesson. So I really hope you remember how to play the A minor. We need simply the first 5 notes of the scale. The natural A minor is exactly this. So mind the first 5 notes. If these are the first 5 notes, the harmonic would have F, G sharp and A, or the melodic would have F sharp and G sharp in the ascending, and A obviously, and then in the ascending again the G and the F natural. But we have to simply pay attention to the first 5 notes and take the first, the third and the fifth. The principle is the same identical one in every single case. So the right hand will have 1, so thumb on the A, 2 on the C, 3 on E. If we play 1 octave we have to simply do this. Now 1 octave with the left hand, same story. We have 5 on the A, 4 on C, 2 on E and 1 on A. Now A minor, 2 octaves with the right hand. A minor, 2 octaves with the left hand. Let's try A minor, 1 octave ends together. A minor, 2 octaves ends together. As I mentioned in all the other videos, just few words regarding the potential technical exercises that you might use to empower the thumb passage and the crossing over the thumb. So for the thumb passage we have 3 exercises. First one, pause on the note before the thumb passage, in this case E with the third and having the thumb automatically in position. Exercise number 2, pause on the A played by the thumb, preparing the second for the next note. Exercise number 3, pause on this note after the thumb passage. This is something that will empower the thumb passage. For the crossing over the thumb, we pause first of all on the note before the crossing over, and prepare the passage, but not playing the note of the passage. And prepare the 4th on the C, ready to cross over the thumb. Second exercise will be a pause on the C, but getting ready for the new move and bringing the hand in position, in the relaxed position. Exercise number 3 will be the one of playing the note straight after the crossing over the thumb. In this way the crossing over the thumb will be empowered. That's all I suggest you to do for the A minor. I really hope you have enjoyed the tutorial, that you have understood everything, and the reason why I say that A minor looks almost like C major, F major or G major. Obviously, if you have any question, feel free to contact me by commenting. If it's the first time you're landing on my channel thanks to this video, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. All the best.